Welcome back, marketing funnel creators and affiliates. Now, whatever marketing funnel tool you're using, there could be a great emphasis for you to need outside hosting for a number of reasons. If your marketing funnel provider does not provide enough solution for you, or because of the expense, or because of it not being sustainable, because it's not as effortless for you. There's a number of reasons why you as a marketing funnel creator could be looking for other alternative hosting for your video. Whatever that reason is, that's up to you to decide. Today we're going to take a quick look at four funnels, guys. Four funnels, video hosting funnels, providers for your solutions. Okay, number one, we have YouTube. Most of us know about YouTube. It's a great solution, a quick solution to get content up there. And of course, now you can go live on YouTube and Ustream Live or upload straight from the desktop. Once upon a time, it wasn't so easy, but finally, Google YouTube is making their solution a lot more friendly. I've been on YouTube, I think, at least over 10 years or longer, and I've seen a massive change. So it's very easy to use. Of course, it's not costing anything out of the pocket. But, you know, some of the tools and the solutions, how they're all put together and how to find them, it can be a little bit cumbersome. So you've got to look at the balance between time to learn a solution and everything, and that's for something you to decide. But the cons here, guys, for YouTube, it can take you time to find all the tools that is in the settings which is in YouTube. So that's why I personally like to use YouTube to build a community and to get traffic, of course, and to focus on that. But if I'm wanting more for course creation or something that's more personal, and of course if you're selling a solution or a product, course, whatever it may be better to look for other solutions. That's something that you to decide, but definitely the cons here is definitely the ads. There's a lot of advertising, and to removing that and using YouTube only solution, not very practical. The settings, very cumbersome. But of course, once you learn how to use the settings and use the tools and the functions, it can provide a very great solution. And it's a very great solution for starting out as a bootstrap online digital marketer. Great solution because you can build your brand, you can start to practice your skills, you can start to really hone in to settings, because YouTube has lots of different settings, and I'm finding new settings every day on the whole YouTube solution. And it's not easy step by step. It's a little bit cumbersome, but once you get it down to the nail, it's a very good solution for all out of the cost of nothing, just your time, of course. So that's the pros and the cons there, guys. We're going to move along to Vimeo now. Vimeo is also a well-known solution, hosting solution. Of course, they have a free price package. Their free package was rather good. They don't really focus on that now in their funnel, but their free package was actually better a few years ago. So the basic is free, but they're not really focused on that anymore. I think they're wanting to get away with it. I don't know even, well, it says you still get it for free, but they're trying to get away from that. And of course, then it starts from $9 a month for 250 gigs a year and 5 gig a week. So you need to work out, is it a sustainable solution for you? And look at each package here. And it can work up quite expensive once you build a community fairly big. It can work out rather expensive. But of course they have unlimited live stream. But you need to work out, are you going to need unlimited live stream, or could you use even other solutions like Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn's been bringing out a live stream product. So you need to work it out, the pros and the cons there, guys. I definitely see some pros. If you got the basic plan before they made these major changes, there's actually better value in that. It's no good me telling you about that if you don't have that. You get the free Vimeo. What is available now is what it is. It's pretty limited. Like I said, they started off offering very good value a number of years ago, but of course any small business needs to grow, and it needs to become sustainable, and it costs money, so therefore they need to put in higher price packages. The next one from there, we look at Wistia. Wistia is a fairly good solution. It's one that I probably recommend even to someone that doesn't want to invest. It's a great free solution if you're just having a one-page marketing funnel and you want to have your branding and yourself on there. It's very ideal for that because it allows you to get free videos up there. So if you've got a very simple funnel, you want to get branded, you want to get out there, you want to put value, it's a great simple solution for that, and it would have the basic tools there for you. So that's all free. For free videos is the limit. Of course, if you want the next solution that's 10 free videos, it comes quite expensive here, guys. So as a free solution, it's probably rather good one to start out if you're wanting it as a marketing funnel solution to create a simple marketing funnel. So that's the pros. The negatives or the cons are, the price point is very high, and so they'll leave that. And then the last one we're going to look at today is Rumble. I haven't long come across this product, but Rumble seems to be standing out of the pack, guys. Rumble seems to be what I've seen of it so far, and I'd love your feedback about these 4 products that were reviewed briefly today. Which one do you find the best? Have you even heard of Rumble? I know a lot of you might have heard of Vimeo, YouTube, of course, and Wistia, but Rumble is one that I haven't heard of. And definitely it looks like it's a very nice, neat, laid out. It looks like it would be very good UI and nicely laid out here. And here's where it gets good, guys. The basic package is only $10 a month. So you can start out at the basic package of $10 a month, and it possibly can provide you a lot better solution than even Vimeo and Wistia to grow to a certain degree. And even their higher packages is probably seems to be a lot more sustainable and more economical than Vimeo and Wistia. So I'd love to hear